Hello viewers. In our previous jQuery videos, we have observed what is selectors and how selectors will work, and then after that selectors we have observed filters. That let's see how filters, what is filters and how that filters will work on jQuery. Filters are work with selectors to provide more control over selected elements in the document. That means filters are work with together with selectors, and also it provide more grip or more control over that selected elements. I already told that filters are worked on the selected elements of the document. That means the elements that are selected by the selectors have been filtered by using these filters. These filters are 6 types. They are position filters, content filters, visibility filters, attribute filters, relationship filters, form filters. Let's see, starting one, position filters. Position filters have contained this is also called a basic filter type. That means the basic types of filters. These are first, last, even, odd, equal, less than. These are less than, and then greater than, header, not, animated. That means these are the basic filters, position filters. Let's see, first, by using this filter, the first item will be selected. That means we already know that selectors will return a bunch of array elements. In that array elements, the filters will work by using that index numbers. That means when we using the first filter over selectors, it will return the index value 0. That element will be returned by this filter. That means the last index number, and even. This means the even number of elements will be returned, and odd number of elements will be written. Equal, what we passed parameter, that matching parameter index number will be written. That means we can pass equal to 3. That means that the index number 3 will be written, and then less than. What we pass, let we pass, suppose example we have passed 4. The less than of 4 elements, less than of 4 index elements will be written, and then greater than 4. After 4, that means the index values greater than 4 elements will be written. Header means what are the header in the our document will be written. Not means what we pass. That means the matching parameter will not be selected, and remaining all will be written. And then animated, what are the elements have an animated, that all elements will be written by using this. Let's see in practical example. This is small HTML web page to observe the basic filters. That means position filter. Let's run. First, look how it looks like. It's by Firefox as it is. This is actually we are observing in previous examples. This is our sample web page. We can do filter operations on this one. Let's do $. Here I am going to select a list of p items. That means when we remove this tags window, as here I have to select p tags. Wait a minute. P tags are equal to first p tag. First p tag, and for observation we have put a CSS for that one. I'll copy as it is this one. Let's save it and run this one. Browse with Firefox. Browse. This is our first p tag. let's observe it. This is our first p tag and this is on our second p tags. Like that one, we have to observe last p tag improvise and Vivian browser. This is default browse. This is our last p tag. Like that, already we told that selectors will return a bunch of array elements. That means the selected elements will be display will be in array order. That means it have index number. By using that index number, filters will work. We can pass here even in order to select what are the even index number selector will be written. Even browser, so changes, yes, these are the even. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then here it is the even numbers 0, 2, and then 4. These are the even numbers. Like that, we have to observe in at even browser. These are the odd numbers. That means 1, 3, and then 5. Like that, based upon index numbers, it will work. When we pass some parameters, that means equal to number 3 index. That means these are 0, 1, 2, 3. That means this is ASP program p tag will be written. Let's save it and then we will in browser. Yes, this is the index number 3 will be written. And then what are the remaining filters that we observed? First, last, even, odd, equal. Okay, less than and greater than. Here it is, less than index number 3. That means this is the index number. These are the less than index number. That is .NET programming and MVC WCF will be written. Let's check it. Win browser. Yes, this is the index number 3, and then less than 3 paratags will be written. That means this one and these two will be written. Like that, we have here you have used greater than also. Let's simply GT with index number 3. Actually, we have to get it into. That means here it is. This is the 0, 1, this is the 2, index number 2. After greater than index number 2, these 3 p tags will be written. Like that, we have to observe p not equal to not. That means except this equal index number equal to 2, except this matching, the selector will return all the values. That means except this one, the all p tags will be written. Let's save it and observe it. Wait a minute, I forgot to mentioning paragraph tags here. Okay, now save it and observe in browser. As here it is. This is the index number 2 will be except this index number 2, and the all remaining p tags will be displayed here. Like that one. In order to observe headers, that means header, the headers means h1, h2, all header tags will be displayed. Here I inserted two header tags. That means h1, this is filter example program. Close the h1 here. Like that, h2, this is header 2. let's save it, and here we pass that header. Okay, here we are selected all header elements. That actually we program have two headers, that is h1 and h2. These two will be selected. Let's see and observe in browser. Okay, header, this is the header 1 and this is the header 2. These two headers are being selected because we are passed header element. Like that animated filter will also work. Presently we don't have any animated elements here. We observe it in later. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.